Cafe Range Model CGS750M2NS5 Troubleshooting. Bake casseroles and cook meals with this Cafe 30-inch gas range. The double ovens handle large roasts and bakes and make preparing multi-course dinners simple, while the slide-in design is easy to fit into your kitchen. This Cafe 30-inch gas range has a control panel on the front, providing quick access to knobs. Troubleshooting. Range oven door won't unlock. The oven door has been locked accidentally. If there is food in the oven, let the oven cool to room temperature and try to unlatch the door. If no food or utensils are in the oven, start a self-clean cycle, then hit clear off after 60 seconds. If that does not unlock the door, run a short self-clean cycle 1-2 hours. With electronic ranges, there is a small chance that turning the circuit breaker off for a few minutes and turning it back on can release the door latch to the off. If door does not unlatch, and you do have food in the oven, wait for oven to cool completely and try again. Door will not unlock after self-cleaning. Try the following to unlock the door. Disconnect power to range for 30 seconds. Reconnect power and see if door will unlatch. If door does not unlatch and you do not have food in the oven, set the oven up to clean for 1-2 hours. Wait approximately 30 minutes for the oven to cool and try to unlock the door. If the door unlocks, the control has reset itself and there should not be any other problems. Do not force the latch at any time. If the door will not unlock, you may require service. On models with mechanical latches. Once the oven is cool after a self-clean cycle approximately 30-90 minutes, slide the latch over to the Lafitte. Some older models have a latch release button that must be pushed in while sliding the dot. Models with oven set and temperature knobs must have those knobs set in the clean position before the latch can be moved to the Lafitte. If your door won't unlock, try turning those knobs back too. Do not force the latch at any time. Oven preheat time too long. Preheat time for ranges and ovens varies according to oven type. If the oven is installed at its proper voltage 120 volts for gas and 240 volts for electric. Electric ovens with hidden bake elements and gas ovens can take 15-20 minutes to preheat. Electric ovens with hidden bake and the fast preheat feature can take 7-10 minutes. Ovens with a visible bottom bake element can take 5-10 minutes to preheat. This is a normal operation and the preheat time cannot be altered. Factors that will affect the preheat time are: selected temperature. Every 25-degree increment above 350 set temperature will add approximately 45-60 seconds to preheat time. Starting temperature of the oven. Room temperature. Number of racks in the oven. Each additional rack will add approximately 30 seconds to preheat time. 208-volt installation will increase preheat time by 25%. Below 105-volt gas installation. If the oven is taking much longer than normal to preheat, first, turn off the circuit breaker for the range, wait 30 seconds, and turn it back on. This makes sure that it is not getting half power. Wall oven and ranges cooking too slow or too fast. If the oven is cooking too slow or too fast, the oven thermostat may need to be adjusted, calibrated. If you have a new oven or range, the oven has been set correctly at the factory and is more apt to be accurate than the oven which it replaced. When using recipes you've used for a long time, differences in timing or cooking performance between an old and a new oven are not unusual. For the first few uses, follow your recipe times and temperatures carefully and use the rack positions recommended. If you still think your new oven is too hot or too cold, you can adjust the temperature yourself to meet your specific cooking preference. You can also adjust your thermostat if your oven is not new, since thermostats may drift from the factory setting over time.